So today we have this 2023 Nissan Z, and we're going to be installing 5% ceramic window tint on the side doors. So first, we're going to shrink the film before we do the installation. Now that we finished shrinking the film, now we're going to prep the inside of the glass, and then we'll do the installation. Always remove the dirty soapy solution, spray the glass, grab the film, position it to this end right here. Make sure to align the tint and use your squeegee to tack everything down. Secure the bottom section, apply heat to seal the top edges. And this is what 5% looks from the inside, and this is how 5% looks from the outside. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys in the next one. Nice.